makeupgirl.net, and today we hosted a Rockstar Glam Suite here in Tysons Corner, Virginia. And I love being able to provide education for women. What I really enjoyed was that there were a lot of women that were surprised at some of the makeup tips that we were giving. Makeup artist Keita Vaughn gave a very detailed approach to the way that she was doing different makeup looks, which was really great for them. I hope that everybody enjoyed it and that we're able to do something like this in the future. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Keita Vaughn, and I just want to thank Leanne Farbs and Selena Gill for inviting me to be a part of such an amazing experience. It's been really great being in an intimate setting with women and being able to connect, play makeup, have fun, and talk about other things, you know, not about makeup, and just being able to share tips and information and bond. It's amazing. I love you guys.
Ashley Washington. I'm the younger sister to Keita Vaughn, which is a makeup artist today. I still was able to learn from what my sister does that I can apply to everyday use, and just also how women can get together and network, and you can learn different things about your body and experiences and things like that.
I think the thing that I liked the most about her tutorial today was the happy hour look. I think that it was really interesting how she took that look from day into evening, and that's something that I could really be interested in. I don't really get out a whole lot, but when I go out in the evening, I like a softer look. I like something that can kind of travel from day to night, and that looked perfect.
Hi, my name is Sharon Cummings, and I enjoyed the Rockstar Mom Glam Suite today. I learned a lot of interesting makeup tips. I had an opportunity to network with some very great women, and I just had an overall wonderful time.
Tia Hill, otherwise known as the Day Whisperer, is here in the building with Selena Gill at the Rockstar Glam makeup class. Today's experience was absolutely amazing. I learned a lot of amazing information about makeup, how to apply it. I didn't know what a primer was and what the significance of one is for your makeup, but it was a very educational program. All the ladies that were here were funny entrepreneurs. The makeup by Keita is absolutely amazing. I recommend that anyone go and get her product. This was an amazing time, and I love my gift bag. And it was just something I definitely will recommend to my friends. Thank you. Can't wait to come back to another one.
Hi, I'm Julia, and I'm here at the makeup party, and I really love the looks of going from happy hour, you know, during the day, and then to happy hour, and then later on to after hours, because I came in a little late, but I love the idea of flat brush for the lashes, for under the eye, which I thought was great, and also the technique of how to apply lashes, which actually is tilting your head a little bit back instead of looking straight forward into the mirror. I'm gonna try that next time I actually put on lashes, and I look forward to playing with makeup for the holidays and fall that's coming up soon. Thanks.
My name is Erin Martin. I host and produce an online radio show, bagladiesradio.com, and I'm also a blogger. So I had the pleasure of attending Leanne Farbs' Rockstar Glam Suite event today. She's previously been a guest on my show for one of my most popular segments, which is Beauty Talk. So dishing all things beauty, such as what we did today, is always a pleasure. I've learned a lot of great tips and tricks and techniques, and Keita introduced some colors that I had never seen before that were absolutely fabulous. So I'm glad that I now have a better understanding of how I can use Johnson & Johnson products when applying makeup, different techniques to do application better, and it just was a really fun event, and all the ladies that attended really had some great conversations. So it just was a great event, good girl talk, so you can't really ask for anything better. And Leanne, as always, was just a wonderful host, so I was glad to be extended an invitation to come, and I look forward to the next event.
Hi, my name is Selena Lynn Gill. I am the co-host of our very first Rockstar Mom Glam Suite. And today was a great day. The ladies learned about makeup, how to apply it, what type of makeup is best for their skin, how to go from work to happy hour to after hours. So the ladies had a great time, and I can't wait to do this again.